The Freestyle Die Cutting Machine by Momenta is a fantastic and intuitive machine for all paper crafters. It's built to last with steel construction and an easy-to-turn built-in handle. The slim profile makes it easy to store, and at $99.99, it's one of the only 6-inch machines retailing under $100. The Freestyle is easy to use and offers the versatility of cutting and embossing with different plate configurations. To begin, simply release the front and back platforms. Sandwich your base plate, die, paper, and cutting plate, and insert the stack into the machine opening. Easily turn the handle to pull the die through, and you have a beautifully cut paper. Embossing is just as easy. Simply swap out the cutting die for an embossing folder and the cutting plate for a thinner embossing plate. Run the stack through your machine and you're left with a gorgeous textured paper. There's no limit to the projects you'll be able to create and personalize using the Momenta Freestyle.